Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pass Arena 1 in Clash Royale. First, focus on building strong pushes with a tank like Giant, using low-cost troops to support it, and defending with spells and troops that counter swarms. Patience is key. Don't rush your attacks. Build up your elixir by playing cards at the back of your arena, and wait for your opponent to make a move. Effective use of small spells like arrows to eliminate multiple troops simultaneously can provide significant value. Build a strong push. Use a tank. Build a high health troop like the Giant at the back to absorb damage and slowly advance. Follow the Giant with low cost troops that can deal damage and handle enemy defenses, such as the Knight or Mini P.E.K.K.A. The goal is to build a large, persistent attack that overwhelms your opponent's defenses. Master your defense. Wait to react. Don't be the first to play a card. Wait for your opponent to deploy their troops and then counter the push. Use spells effectively. Use arrows or fireball on clusters of enemy troops for a positive elixir trade, but avoid using them on towers to activate the King Tower. Counter specific threats. Use troops like the Bomber or Spear Goblins to deal with groups or high damage troops, respectively. Elixir management and strategy. Play cards at the back of your arena to build up a large amount of elixir before launching a major push. Don't overcommit. Avoid deploying too many troops at the bridge, especially when your opponent has cards that can easily counter your push. Learn from your opponents. Pay attention to what your opponent plays. If they use arrows on your left lane, they won't have time for the right lane. Get a clan. Joining an active clan can provide significant experience through donations and help you learn faster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.